G'day and welcome. My name's Jim and today we're going to be trying to repair my gearbox on my lathe, which has decided to drop all the oil out of it. So I came out here and there's this huge puddle of oil on my lathe tray. I'm like, oh, lovely. So we're going to pull off the gearbox here. I've already started loosening it before I thought, oh, I'd better go grab my camera because so many people would just absolutely love to watch me doing this. So here we go. Just taking these out. Sure they're all the same size. Now I don't think I need to take off me little knobs. Don't think I need to pull my knobs off. Righto, let's see what happens here. Okay. Whoa! Okie dokie. So, that's weird. That's very, very, very weird. That is so weird that it's got these screws in here. What the smeg are these screws for? Oh, they go right to the back there for something. Okay. Holding something here up the back. Right, now how the hell do I seal this bitch? Whoa, that was scary. First thing I need to do is try and clean all this shit off here. So the oil actually only goes up to here at the maximum point. Oh, you fucking dog cunt. Oh, this is so thin, this shit.
I don't know, but it's... I'll tell you how to use it.
I was expecting...
Pierce top and apply thin, even film to both mating surfaces. Allow to dry for a few minutes until it becomes tacky and then stick it back together. Okay?
Yep.
Yeah, I was expecting it to be a bit thicker than water, but unless it needed a bit of a shake on it, or...
A bit hard to shake a tube.
Yeah, you're probably right, actually. Probably didn't shake very well when you tried it, would it? Slow drying, not hardening.
So it never dries?
No, it doesn't become hard. It stays bouncy, fishy, soft, pliable, whatever it is.
I'm not happy with that. This shit's all separated. Right. putting a little bit of oil on the end of each one of these because they're already started rusting a bit. So this lathe was under about 4 meters of flood water, so I've pulled it all down and pretty much rebuilt it all. And that fucker is stripped. Bitch. That is not good. Is it the screw or is it the thread inside? Let's have a look. Might be just this, maybe. One way to tell. Take this off here and put that one down in there. Let's see if that is fucked still. Okay, so it's the bolt. That's good. Let's see if I can replace the bolt. Cool. Done. Well, there you go. Hope you liked the video. I have 3 other channels. You can find them in the descriptions below. Feel free to check them out. Plenty of stuff to watch. I want to thank my Patreons, Mitch, Jackson and Blake, Legend Boys. If you want to be a legend too, head over to Patreon for exclusive videos and talk to me live. Or if you're broke like me, I get $1 for every 1,000 videos watched. So next time you go out, put on one of my playlists for your dog or your cat, or maybe even your goldfish might want to watch. So until next time, you'll be good, stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Play the music!
Techno.